Kumbay muchanan, awal na North Pier de Boneiru. Vámonos.
Mucha!
Como vai, Dion?
Greenpeace na Boneiru.
No, Greenpeace na Boneiru haciendo diferentes cosas. Entre otros, nos va viniendo a Boneiru, nos va informar, nos dando opi información, entonces nos concientizando turena na Boneiru tocante cambio de clima, entonces conos por protegernos más contra el cambio de clima.
¿Qué es el cambio de clima?
Cambio de clima, ahora que el mundo virando hopi caliente, ahora vira mucho caliente, y comienza a tener efecto arriba el clima. Entonces, va a bajar diferentes efectos de la manera, entre otros, la subida de nivel de la mar, por virar más caliente, el mar por virar más caliente, entonces el coral no puede sufrir, entonces por así no tiene diferentes otras maneras de cambio de clima.
¿Qué barco está haciendo Boneiru?
Sí, el barco se llama Artic Sunrise. El barco a mi Boneiru para sombra Greenpeace hace diferentes campañas. Entonces, la campaña de Boneiru, na Boneiru también está una campaña. Entonces, el barco a mi visitar Boneiru para ayudar, concientizar y informar el pueblo. Me te voy a mostrar cerca un otro tío, entonces te voy a explicar qué el barco está haciendo. Vamos. Aquí nanta camina con nanta stir e voto. Esta aquí está tío Diego y te voy a explicar más tocante de average.
Kontabay, muchanan. Okay, I want to explain a little bit what happened here. All the magic for control this amazing chip happens here. So the basic device is, for example, this one. It's same like a motorbike or car. It's really simple. Basically, if I put it ahead, the chip will move ahead, okay? If I put it on the stern, back, the chip will move it back, okay? Maybe you don't see this for the pirate movie, this big steering wheel when the pirate control the chip. Now we don't have anymore this one. We only control the chip with this device. This is the new steering wheel. So it's really easy for us. We can move only with one hand. The chip is really heavy, by the way, but with just one finger we can move, yeah? And the last one I can explain is, for example, on this TV screen, it's same like in your cell phone you have a Google map. It's same like this, same. The different, they don't show me restaurant or other thing, but they teach me and show me different information where we are. You want to see one of the most amazing tools we have here? We have two big boats. I want to show you now. Okay, let's go. Okay, on deck you can see now we have many big boats. Like now you can see 1, 2, 3. And also this smaller one. But this is really amazing tool and we call toys also for us. So basically, one driver plus one crew, we can manage to put this boat in the water. It's really fast. So you can see all this white thing is the crane. So the crane do it like this, and in 1 minute the boat is in the water. And this is really fast, like a Formula 1 car, but in the water. It's really good tool. But also, we use sometimes, we have a submarine. So with the submarine, submarine, we can go to the deep to look at what happened under the water, in the deep water. So it's really nice tool also. So after this part, also we have a heli deck where is, helicopter, when the helicopter can land. We don't have helicopter, but we need a heli deck in case of some emergency or something. Why we don't have helicopter? Because now with drone we can do everything. So we have 1 or 2 drones sometimes, always, sorry. So for shot, for picture, for video, we use just the drone. So now Nani will show you what happened there. So see you there, man. Hopefully you enjoy. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Dus aqui riba nang normalmente é helicóptero por bimba, então na ele helideck. Actualmente aqui riba nang agora que nós na Boneiru, nós fazemos uma apresentação, então nós assim Kiko a passa na Boneiru, Kiko com cambio de clima por afetar Boneiru. A passa do shower? Sim? Ok, great. Então espero que você tenha Hopi. Anda se tem mais perguntas, passa livremente, anda se tenha mais de Greenpeace. Vamos!
Água tá Hopi bom para botar no bom mês hidratar.